Good morning, friends. Let's look at our calendar today. So the last day we had school was the 16th. So that means Friday was the 17th. Saturday was the 18th. Sunday was the 19th. And today will be the 20th. Okay, let's go back and fill in our patterns. So here was the last pattern we had on Thursday, which was an A. So now for Friday, we needed a B. And then for Saturday, we need another B. Oh, a stick problem there. So A, B, B, then that means it changes here and goes back to A. Let's put it over here by the little chick's hand wing. And then today, that makes it a B. All right, so today is the 20th. Let's follow it up. Our day of the week starts with an M. M says Sunday, Monday. So Monday the 20th. Okay, let's finish our calendar journal. So look at our calendar journal. So today is Monday, still April, and we said it was the 20th. So let's write that. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. There's our year. So remember, the other way we can write it is we can count the months: January, February, March, April. April is the 4th month. Put a dash. Today is the 20th. Put a dash. And then the year is 2020. Good. It's another way to write your date. Let's read this date together. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Okay? Go outside today and look at your weather. Is your weather sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? It's Oklahoma and it's spring, so any of those are possible. So that's our season is spring. All right, let's do some tallies. So looking back at our calendar, we should have 4 days we need to add. So let's look at our tallies. So here we had 5, 10, 15. And we had one more, so we're going to add 4 more. So 1, 2, oh, and that's the 4th one. So 5 means to shut the door. Well, it was our 4th tally. It was the 5th one because we already had one. So now, let's see how many days we have. 5, 10, 15, 20 days. 20 days in April so far. Let's look at coins and see how many days. Let's make 20 in coins. So, I know there is a coin worth 5. What coin do you think it is? If you said nickel, you're right, and a nickel's worth 5. We can make 20 with nickels. Let's count it. So let's see. There's 5, 10, 15, 20. So there is 5, 10, 15, 20. So there's 20 cents in nickels. Now, I know that 2 nickels, 5 and 5 is 10, so 2 nickels equal a dime. So let's cha-ching and trade that out. So there's 10, and then we've got 2 more nickels that can equal a dime. There's cha-ching, 20. So now we have 10, 20. So 20 cents for 20 days in April. I hope you're working with coins at home and practicing those. All right, let's practice counting by 5s. Let's pretend we had nickels today and count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good. See if you can practice doing that on your own without a number chart or help. Practice counting by 5s. Let's do our mini poems. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I've been told. There's your money coins. Keep practicing on your coins with money. So today we're going to do something a little different. We've been working on number bonds, but today Miss Bennett's going to actually get one of our workbook pages, and we're going to do our workbook page together. And you have some of these in your packet online that you can print out, or maybe your teacher delivered your workbook. So look at what we're doing. We're going to start with the directions say, put an X on 3 dots. So it looks like right here tells me how many dots I have. Let's see if they're right. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I do have 8 dots. So it says to mark out 3. So I'm going to mark out 3 dots. Now it looks like they wrote this the make 5 way. So how many do you think that is left? Looks like there's 5. So it told me to mark out 3. So I took 3 away. So 8. That means take away 3 equals 5. Let's look at our number bond over here. So I have 8. How many did we take away? 3. How many were left? 5. Good. Okay, now look at the next problem. It says put an X on 5 dots. So I'm going to start over here and count 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5 dots. So how many dots do we have all together? So I know this is a row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together I had 8 dots. So I need to put that in my total. There's my big number. And then we took away 5. So that's how many I took away. How many are left now? That's easy, right? 3. Now our number bonds turn sideways, but it still means the same thing. Here's our whole, which is 8. We took away 5, and that left us with 3. Now this one, you get to pick. It says put an X on some dots. So it doesn't tell us how many to X out. Let's X out 4 dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we still have 8 all together. And we X'd out how many? 4. So take away 4. How many are left? You see? You said 4. You are right. So 8 total. And then we took away 4. And that left us with 4. So whole, part, part. Good. All right, keep practicing with number bonds. See if you can make some number sentence on pages if you can't get to a workbook or get a worksheet offline. Make your own worksheet. Make some dots, make some number sentences, and some number bonds. Have a great day.